Most people are using AI the wrong way. Not because they are lazy, not because they are bad with technology, but because they treat AI like Google. They open chatgpt, type one random question, get one answer, and then close it. That is exactly why they feel AI is okay instead of life-changing. But here's the simple fix. Stop using AI like a search box. Start using it like a thinking partner. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do that. Welcome back to the official AI Hustle Club. Here, we keep AI simple. No confusing tech talk, no complicated systems, just practical AI skills for everyday people who want to save time, earn smarter, and stay ahead. And today's skill is one of the most important ones. Because once you understand this skill, AI becomes 10 times more useful. The common mistake. Here's what beginners usually do. They type something like, "Give me business ideas," or "Write me a diet plan," or "How can I make money online?" And AI gives a generic answer. Then they think, this is not that impressive. But the problem is not AI. The problem is how we are using it. Imagine walking into a room with a personal coach, researcher, planner, writer, and assistant, and asking only one tiny question, then leaving before the real conversation begins. That is what most people do with AI. The mindset shift. The simple fix is this. Don't ask AI for just one answer. Ask AI to work with you step by step. That means you can say, "Ask me questions first. Give me options. Compare the choices. Create a plan. Improve this idea. Make it simpler. Turn it into action steps." This is where AI becomes powerful. Not as a magic answer machine, but as a thinking partner. Use case 1. AI as a planner. First, use AI as a planner. Let's say your day feels messy. Instead of asking, "How do I become productive?" try asking, "I have a busy day and feel overwhelmed. Ask me 5 questions, then help me plan my day in a simple way." Now, AI is not just giving advice. It is helping you organize your real life. It can break your tasks into morning, afternoon, and evening. It can tell you what to do first. It can even help you avoid wasting time on low-priority tasks. That is much more useful than a generic productivity tip. Use case 2. AI as a coach. Second, use AI as a coach. Maybe you want to eat healthier, or start exercising, or learn a new skill. Most people ask, "How do I lose weight?" But a better prompt is, "Act like a beginner-friendly coach. Ask me about my lifestyle. Then create a realistic 7-day plan that I can actually follow." This changes everything. Because now AI is not throwing random advice at you. It is adapting the answer to your situation. And that is the difference between information and guidance. Use case 3. AI as a researcher. Third, use AI as a researcher. Let's say you want to buy a new laptop. Most people ask, which laptop is best? But better would be, "I need a laptop for work, content creation, and daily use. Ask me about my budget and needs, then compare 3 good options in simple language." Now, AI can help you think clearly before spending money. It can compare pros and cons. It can explain what specs actually matter. It can help you avoid buying something just because it looks popular. That is how AI helps you make smarter decisions. Use case 4. AI as a writer. Fourth, use AI as a writer. But not by saying, "Write me a post." That usually gives you boring content. Instead, give AI direction. Say, "Write this in a friendly tone. Make the hook stronger. Keep it simple. Give me 3 versions." Now you are not just asking AI to write. You are using AI to improve your thinking. Your message becomes clearer. Your content becomes stronger. and your ideas become easier for others to understand. Use case 5. I as an assistant. 5th, use AI as your everyday assistant. This is where things get really practical. You can ask AI to 1. Summarize long text. 2. Turn messy notes into a checklist. 3. Write polite emails. 4. Prepare questions for a meeting. 5. Create a shopping list. 6. Plan a weekly routine. 7. Or explain something difficult in simple words. This is the real power of AI. Not replacing you, but removing mental load from your day. Now here is the copy-paste prompt you can use today. Save this. Use it for almost anything. Prompt. I want to use AI as my thinking partner. My goal is insert your goal. Before giving me an answer, ask me 5 important questions. Then create a simple step-by-step plan, explain it in beginner-friendly language, and give me 1 action I can take today. This 1 prompt changes the way you use AI. Because instead of getting 1 random answer, you get a conversation, you get clarity, you get a plan. Most importantly, you get started. We will look at a small example. Let's say your goal is, hey, I want to start a side hustle. Instead of asking AI, what side hustle should I start? Use the prompt like this. I want to use AI as my thinking partner. My goal is to start a side hustle. Before giving me an answer, ask me 5 important questions. Then create a simple step-by-step plan, explain it in beginner-friendly language, and give me 1 action I can take today. Now, AI may ask, 1. What skills do you have? 2. How much time can you spend each week? 3. Do you want to work online or offline? 4. Do you want fast income or long-term growth? Do you prefer writing, designing, teaching, selling, or organizing? Suddenly, AI is not guessing anymore. It is helping you make a decision based on your real life. That is the simple fix. Key takeaway. So remember this. AI is not just a place to ask questions. It is a place to think better. Use it as a planner. Use it as a coach. Use it as a researcher. Use it as a writer. Use it as an assistant. The people who win with AI are not always the most technical people. They are the people who learn how to ask better, think better, and take action faster. Here is your action step for today. Open chatgpt. Pick 1 small goal, and maybe planning your week. 2. Improving your health. 3. Starting a side hustle, or writing better content, or saving more time. Then use the prompt from this video. Don't just ask 1 question. Start a conversation. That is how everyday people can use AI to stay ahead. If you found this useful, subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club. Because this comeback is all about simple AI skills that can help you save time, earn smarter, and build your future. 1 prompt at a time. See you in the next video.